What's up, y'all? So I don't know if you were on the show Wednesday night when Eddie put down the challenge between Steven and I, the unbroken driver, who can lose 20 pounds the fastest. And he said whoever would get there first, he'd give him $100. So you know what I said? I'm in. Anytime I get in Eddie's pockets, take $100, I'm gonna take that money. Now, I'll probably donate the money, but that's not the point. So Steven and I agreed. We both got the same scales, so there's gonna be no cheating there. We both agreed to start on Friday, which it really doesn't matter. It's just first 1 to 20. But here's the thing I got to thinking about. You know, these apps are stressing us out. And stress will help you put on weight. Sitting around waiting for a ride all the time will put on weight. Now I know DoorDash drivers, Grubhub drivers, you know, Spark, all the delivery companies, you guys get in some steps, you guys get in some exercise. But you rideshare guys out there, and ladies, most of y'all, I ain't gonna lie, y'all just as lazy as me. Just as lazy as me, and now your ass is overweight. So what I'm suggesting is, because you can see I'm out here putting in the work already, what I'm suggesting is, maybe it's time to get your ass up and start moving too. You know, you go to the airport queues, you see drivers sitting around, laid back in their car, got their air shades up, and then you always see those 1 or 2 that are getting in their steps. They're getting in their steps because they ain't stupid enough to get fat and lazy like I've got. So we're gonna use this challenge to 1, lose weight, to 2, quit vaping. I'm done with vaping. Yeah, I'm gonna get your money, Eddie. I'm gonna donate it to a good cause. But right now, we're gonna start a little thing called Get Your Steps In. Hell, I might even turn that into a channel. I think I will today. I think I'll turn that into a channel today. Get your steps in. And let's get healthy together. That's my challenge to y'all. Get your lazy asses up and let's get in shape. All right. Peace out, y'all.